Hello, this is Nalini. Welcome to my new episode Relax, Reflect, Recharge. I am sitting in a chair relaxing, looking through the window at the beautiful green tree, blue sky filled with white clouds. I am just thinking about my routine, what all I do in a day's work. I get hardly any time for my self-development, doing craft or painting. Everything is just in the list. Whole day goes on cooking, babies, family and other house chores. In between, somehow I create social media posts. Before sleeping, I blog and schedule it. I do meditation before sleeping, chanting in the evening or after dinner. In the weekends, I do podcasts. This week, I stopped planning at all. I just put some pointers or something like that on my board. Earlier, I used to get frustrated if I couldn't do anything I planned. I'm going gentle on myself. So now I don't have frustration. But the big question is, when will I do those other things other than routine? I have to figure out when I can do my enrolled courses. I so want to do them. When to do my interests. I also thought that I will take one interest for 1 week and do it. For now, I have Carnatic music class and I somehow practice music for 1 hour. I am glad about this. At least I am able to do this. I do few things, want to do more. I am not satisfied with what I am doing now. I know I can do so much. I have tried getting up early. In that case, either I lack enough sleep and feel like a zombie, or my babies also get up with me and I don't get to do anything at all. But after thinking a lot, I have come to conclusion that I need additional 2 hours minimum for myself. And I have to look at my routine again and see how I will do that. So many times I felt like I should do nothing, absolutely nothing. I don't do that often. Not that somebody is stopping me. So here, sitting in the chair, gazing through the window at the greenery of the tree, feeling the cool breeze. It is so soothing. So I am thinking, is anyone asking me to do everything at once without taking rest? Why I am walking around keeping everyone's weight on my head? They are adults. They can look after themselves. Take one thing at a time and relax. Even my babies are now taking care of me in their own way and querying in their cute language. Whenever I sigh or I am murmuring to myself aloud, they ask, with a question mark on their face. While looking at the beautiful tree, slowly I am getting recharged. I made 7 resolutions. First, I should stop carrying everyone's responsibility on my head. 2. I should stop giving instructions. They are adults and responsible persons. They know what is best for them. 3. Even if some things do not go like I want in the home, I should be flexible and accept it as it is. 4. It is okay to be not perfect. It is okay if some things are not according to me. 5. Being Enneagram Type 3, that is the achiever, I can be a workaholic. I have to take it easy. 6. I will get up 2 hours earlier and sit in a separate room so that babies don't get up. I will do things that I really want to do. My personal things like learning, music practice in that time. 7. I will take Sunday off from the household chores and cooking. Along with the following above, I should also recharge myself periodically by just sitting for few minutes by doing nothing, just observing nature. So, this was the today's episode. Relax, reflect, and recharge yourself. Thanks for listening to me. Have you ever felt like slowing down a bit and do nothing? Share how do you relax at such times. We will meet in next episode. Till then, bye bye. Take care.